So the yellow brick road is essentially the way you look at the step-by-step process of business. Business success is built sequentially, right? And so what we said is, hey, you can't jump over to step 5 and 6 before you do 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So the simplest way to do it is, hey, here's what you need to know first about business, especially if you're a new entrepreneur. And then you got to start to look at that the knowledge gap and the wealth gap run parallel. So you got to assume by default that most people don't know the proper way to set up a business. They typically open the business backwards, I like to say, or build it all backwards, right? But essentially, if you understand the structure, then we can walk you down the yellow brick road process. So for example, if you're setting up a new company, you've never heard a business set up yourself and learned it from anybody in particular, in any particular fashion or any way. So let's call it bare bones new. What you need to do is understand company structure first and company type first before you do anything, even if you have the best idea. You need to understand how the structure of the company should work first. Then you start to get fancy and start to look at how can I brand my company? How can I market my company? What are my sales strategies? Most people build these things. They go get a logo, they get a Facebook account, they get a Gmail or a Yahoo account, and next thing you know, they're marketing themselves on Facebook and Instagram as a real business taking cash out. Bad idea, right? That's not a real business. That's a hustle. That one right there, there's no tax benefits there. There's no protections. Whatever you're selling, if you're selling a shirt, somebody get it and breaks out, what you gonna do, right? If they try to sue you, now you were liable on the social security number, not your EIN. It's things like that that I see happening all the time, and I question everybody's strategy. So the fact is, we start there talking to you about your structure first, so you can understand the next things we talk to you about in order. Business has to be built in order, and the yellow brick road walks you through a seamless process that sets you up with the blueprint for success.